Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, this is a quick video on how to claim your Notcoin token, most especially those of you that participated in the Notcoin event and you got the allocation. So now what you need to do is to visit Notcoin bot, then you click on check the results, then you wait for it to process. So I think this campaign is going to end today. Now what you need to do is to just click on connect wallet. So you click on connect wallet. I'm going to use open wallet in Telegram. So now what you need to do is just click connect wallet. Now back to community. So what you need to do is to click here. So if you click on this plus sign is to redeem a voucher. But if you don't have a voucher, just click on this sign here. So if you click here, you can either select deposits to exchange or wallet in Telegram. So if you click on exchange, you click continue, you're going to see Binance, OKX, and Bybit. So for you to send your Notcoin to centralized exchange like Binance, OKX, or Bybit, they are going to charge you 1.5% from your Notcoin allocation. So if you select Binance, for example, then you click send. Do you have a Binance account? So you click yes, I have. What you need to do is to go to your Binance account, click on deposit, search for Not, then you click on Not. After clicking on Not, what you need to do is to copy the deposit address. After you have copied the deposit address and you have pasted it here, make sure to copy the memo as well, because if you do not put down this memo, you are going to lose your Notcoin. So copy the deposit address and copy the memo and paste it here. So this is how to send to Binance. So for those of you that want to send to OKX exchange, you click on OKX, you click on send, you click on yes, I have it. So the same thing, you copy the address, go to OKX exchange, make sure your OKX account is verified, make sure your Binance account is verified, make sure your Bybit account is verified before you proceed. So now what you need to do, for those of you that want to use OKX exchange, is to visit OKX exchange, click on wallet, click on deposit, look for Not, or you can search for Notcoin, then copy the address, that is the deposit address or receiver's address, anyone you're going to see, paste it here, then you copy the memo to come and paste it here. Then once you are done, you click on keep going, then you put down the amount of Notcoin you want to send. All right, so now for those of you that want to use Bybit, okay, so Bybit is good if you are in Nigeria, because you can convert your Notcoin to USDT, then you can use P2P for those of you that want to convert it to Naira. So I recommend you use Bybit. Still the same fee, 1.5 withdrawal fee. You click on Bybit, you click on send, you click on I have it, then you click on deposit memo. So I'm going to use Bybit to show you guys what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to minimize and visit my Bybit account now. So now you just need to click on asset on Bybit. So those of you using Binance, you are going to see wallet or something like that. Now click on deposit. So you can use this to guide yourself on how to deposit on Bybit and OKX. So now what you need to do is to click on deposit crypto. Now you look for Not. Alright, so you're going to see Notcoin, Not. You can search Notcoin if you want to the same thing, but no, not the same thing. Just search for Not. If you search for Not, you're going to see Not and Notcoin attached to it. Then click here. After you click here, you just need to click on network, then select tone network. Then you are going to see a memo, blah blah blah. So you are going to see something like this. This is tag. The tag is same thing as memo. So please make sure to copy this. So this is for deposit address or receiver's address. Then you're going to see a number like this. If you see numbers like this is the memo. So what you need to do is to copy the address. Copy the address like this. Minimize. Come and paste it here. Paste it here. Minimize again and copy the memo address. To copy the same thing as the tag. Long press it and paste. Then you click on keep going. Then you are going to see check your data. Make sure you are sure. This is for the memo. KYC pass only. So you must have a verified Binance, OKS, or Bybit account. Then what you need to do is to click on look good. You can select choose another option. Then click on look good. Then you click on confirm withdrawal. That is I confirm. So they are going to charge you 1.5 fee. Then you click on confirm. So you need to click on confirm. This is what you need to do. So now I don't think I'm going to withdraw mine. Okay, I don't think I'm going to withdraw mine. I'm going to just stake it. So if you bring it here, the first option you're going to see exchange wallet in Telegram. So if you want to send it to your Telegram wallet, that is for those of you that have Telegram wallet, you just click here. Still the same fee, 1.5 withdrawal fee. Then click continue. Then click open wallet in Telegram. Then you click continue. You link it to your Notcoin wallet. Click continue. So for those of you that don't have a Telegram wallet, I made a video on how you can create a Telegram wallet. So you can watch the video to see how to get a Telegram wallet in your Telegram app. Then click continue. And you can click on share your phone number. Right, so you go through all this process, then you are good to go. So I'm going to click on check result again. Then I'm going to show you guys the next step. That is for those of you that don't want to withdraw your Notcoin, you can just take it if you want. So I'm going to click here, click on okay, I've explained this. Level up to earn more NOT. So you can stake your Notcoin balance for 30 days to earn some reward. So please make sure to withdraw your Notcoin because immediately this project is to launch, it is going to go down massively because there are lots of people that participated in the campaign. So you can make sure to withdraw your Notcoin. But if you can take the risks, you can still stake your Notcoin if you want. So I'm going to stake my Notcoin, but I don't think I need it now. And based on my opinion, maybe they are going to give out some future airdrop reward to people that are going to stake Notcoin. So make sure to withdraw your Notcoin. It's good you withdraw your Notcoin because there's going to be a massive sell on this project. Well, I'm just going to stake my Notcoin for 30 days. So then we're going to click on confirm. I'm staking my Notcoin. Congrats, you are silver and it's going to stay like this for 30 days. Then click on great. So I just stake my Notcoin. So good luck to those of you that are going to stake your Notcoin, and good luck for those of you that are going to withdraw your Notcoin. Make sure to withdraw your Notcoin, like I said, because there's going to be a massive sale. But since I can take the risks, I just decide to stake my Notcoin for maybe future reward or future pump, if it's going to pump or not. So, but please don't follow my footstep if you cannot take the risk, because taking this is very risky, but there's going to be a massive sale. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. So if this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal gains to your wallet.